This is a 2013 Audi A6. It has a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Its top features include a rear-view camera, keyless ignition, heated seats, a turbocharger, 18-inch alloy wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a low tire pressure indicator, cruise control, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, leather seats, a toolkit, front and rear floor mats, side curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, a HomeLink feature, and this vehicle has fewer than 10,000 miles on the odometer. With an EPA estimated rating of 30 miles per gallon on the highway, this automobile helps leave money in your pocket where you want it. With this Audi, each and every detail was considered both when built and when it was given a certified stamp of approval. There is no better illustration of the attention to detail than the 300-plus point inspection process, 24-hour roadside assistance, a factory-backed limited warranty for up to 6 years or 100,000 miles, and the balance of no-charge scheduled maintenance. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
At Sewell, our obsession with service extends to all of our customers, including pre-owned. Buying a pre-owned from Sewell means complimentary loan cars and washes for the life of your vehicle come standard. Let us show you what over a century of inspired service has taught us.